Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more coordinate geometry numerical problems. See, in this video, I want to explain two problems. First is, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A 2 minus 2 and B minus 7 4. Here, point of trisection. First we should know coordinates of points of trisection asked. First of all, we should know what is meant by point of trisection. That means, suppose any line segment, suppose A one point, B one point, this is joining. When you join these points, then it is called line segment. If any point is there, that if divides into three equal parts, those points are called points of trisection. There may be 2 points. That means when a line is divided into 3 parts, these 2 points equally divides into 3 parts. When they will do like that, if they divide, this point divides 1:2 ratio. See, this part is 1, this part is 1, this part 2, like that 1:2 ratio. Other points also will be there. This side 2 parts, 1 part. So this is also divides the line third part, 1/3 part and 2/3 part. So it is making 3 parts. That's why there are 2 points of trisections. So here 1 points of trisection, here 1 points of trisection. These two divides the line joining into 3 parts. That's why 2 points are there, trisection. Suppose this is P1, then P1 divides AB into 1:2 ratio, and suppose P2 another point, it divides AB into 2:1 ratio. So that's why 2 points are there. One divides the line segment into 1:2 ratio, another point divides the same line segment in 2:1 ratio. That points we should find out. That means we know already the line joining the points x1, y2, x2, y2, the point which divides in the ratio m1:m2 is m1x2 plus m2x1 whole by m1 plus m2, m2y1 plus m1y2 whole by m1 plus m2. We know x coordinate, y coordinate. Using that formula, we can find out these 2 points. This is formula, substituting in that formula. Now, right, suppose this is given A 2 minus 2, 1 point, B minus 7 4, other point. This is take it as x1 y1, x2 y2. Now P1 P2. P2 divides this AB into 1:2 ratio, P1. P2 divides 2:1 ratio. That only right. Let A 2 comma minus 2, B minus 7 comma 4 are the 2 given points. Let P1 comma P2 are the points of trisection of the line segment joining these points. Already points we wrote now, these points. Therefore, P1 divides AB in P1, AB in 1:2 ratio, P2 divides AB in 2:1 ratio. So you substitute in that. Therefore, coordinates of point P1. Coordinates of point P1. What is that coordinates? M1 formula x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the formula. In this you substitute these points. M1 is what? For this M1, for the point P1, M1 is 1 into x2. X2 is minus 7, because for these 2, for P1 or P2, the x1, y1, x2, y2 points are same. Ratio only different. That's why I am leaving like this formula. In this only we will substitute changing this m1, m2 values. So m1 x2 plus m2. m2 is 2 into x1. x1 is 2 by 1 plus 2. Next m1 is 1. y2 is 4 plus m2 is 2, y1 is minus 2 by 1 plus 2. Okay, substituting the values only. This is minus 7, this is plus 4 by 3. Now this is 1 4 are 4, plus into minus minus 4 by 3. So this becomes minus 3 by 3. See, minus 3 plus 4 means minus 3. This is 0 by 3. So this is one time minus 1. 0 by anything is 0. Okay. Now coordinates of the point P2. Same. This is also same. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Same formula. Now m1. In this case, what is the ratio? 2:1. So m1 is 2. 2 into same you write because remaining all points are same, but only change is here instead of 2, 1 2 write, instead of 2 you write. This is now 2. This is 1 into 2 by 2 plus 1 you write. In the same way, 1 here instead of 1 2 write, 4 as it is, plus 1 write. So 2 plus 1. Only m1 m2 only changed. x1 x2 y1 y2 not changed. That's why instead of m1 I wrote m2 and changed. So this is minus 14 plus 2 by 3 comma this is 8 minus 2 by 3. So this is what? Minus 14 plus 2 means minus 12 by 3. This is 6 by 3. That is what? 4 times. So minus 4, 2 times 2. This is. Therefore, the coordinates of points of trisection. Points of trisection. Not points 2 are there. P1 is 1 point, minus 1 0. P2 minus 4 2. These two are the points of trisection. That means first you understand this concept, we can easily can do. See, 2 points, any 2 points of trisections are there for every line segment. One divides in the 1:2 ratio, other one divides in the 2:1 ratio. Now, second, find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 3 0 and minus 1 4. This is already direct formula. What is midpoint formula of x1 y1 x2 y2 points? Simply x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That's all. x1 y1 x2 y2 are the given points. So here these two are points. So let given points be a 3 0 comma b minus 1 4. These are points. Here x1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to minus 1, y1 is equal to 0, y2 is equal to 4. Now midpoint formula. Midpoint of AB is equal to what formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula, midpoint of AB. AB are these points. Now x1, substitute these values in this. x1 is 3 plus x2 is minus 1 by 2, comma y1 is 0, y1 is 0, y2 4 by 2. So that is 3 minus 1 by 2 4 by 2. That is 3 minus 1 is 2 by 2 4 by 2. That is 1 2 1 comma 2. Therefore the coordinates of midpoints of AB is equal to 1 comma 2. Midpoint coordinates 1.2. Okay, I hope everyone understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.